illuminate yourself, align with the current affairs, have facts, and be reasonable. On this video, we are going to look into the matter surrounding Advocate Batohi, the National Prosecutor Authorities Director. Fellow South Africans, some of the things are causing very, very serious pain within ourselves. It is my opinion that Advocate Batohi did not play to her full expectations in the NPA. You must remember that the national director is the person that, upon the police finishing off the investigations and everything, must be able to do an oversight to make sure that the necessary people that must be prosecuted are facing the prosecution, including the Palapala. But Advocate Batoi is playing a hide and seek, I am not guilty or don't include me a situation. And now it's even worse because she is at a period of retiring, but she cannot come and show us uh, with such confidence that she played such important role for achievement of us seeing all those that needed to be prosecuted. Can you imagine Maumela? His house is raided and everything, property is taken, but he is not having a criminal case to face. He doesn't have any criminal case to face. And then we also come and see her even refusing to a simple thing, mentioning the names of the people that were brought to her to say, these people, she is not implicating them. She's only saying, I have been told on confidence or in whatever platform or way to say this particular prosecutor or whoever is possibly a criminal or involved into the acts. And then if for any reason the person will want a withdrawal of the name as the result of black naming, such a name will be withdrawn. But she doesn't want to risk anything. I don't know, it's because she doesn't want to face the court defamations process after she has left. But she has done nothing. She has really done nothing into this major event to even make sure major cases are pushed. Just look the case of Senzo Meiwa. It's like there are no senior people that must oversee. It's like she never even called the judges or the prosecutors for that matter to say, guys, why are you not doing something seriously about it? She has mentioned, for example, in Kesenzo Mekiwa case, there's case 636 and case 375. They were contradicting. The other one said it was robbery gone wrong. The other one said Senzo Meiwa's life was taken by people inside their house. But Advocate Baloyi decided to take the case that says it was a robbery gone wrong. How did you come to the conclusion? And South African people, they are not restful. The Senzo Meiwa family, you saw the mother. What did she say? How did she feel on the 11th year commemoration? Very, very heartfelt. But herself, what did she do as NPA head? So everybody is just doing as he or herself wants. You understand? Nobody is in control, and she's supposed to be doing such a responsibility. Now I don't know what you think. Like when she's leaving, it's a blessing in disguise. It can be a blessing in disguise, but what about the damage that has happened in front of her eyes? Herself failing to do something so that we could be, as South Africans said, at least she has been doing cases, has been going to, like the case of Pastor Omotoso, 60 something cases, the case of Bushiri, and many of such cases. She's just doing there, sitting on a chair that is floating around and everything. And then when she comes to the ad hoc committee, she come with that attitude. Hence, Silo Julius Malema confronted her and said, we can somehow already go home because we are dealing with non-existent people. If we'll have to deal with the person that is possibly to have done something wrong, who is that person? Who are we going to deal with? So really, we see people just coming into positions, but they fail to live to the expectation. They fail to give us what they have been appointed, have been chosen, have been elected, have been getting paid for. And then because I think some of the people have already declared we are living in a banana republic, and then everybody can do as he or she likes, as she does. To me, any other answer she will have give, it will just be for a process to come and pass. Because if she called the case of Sinzo Meiwa a mess, what did she do to correct her own prosecutors, to deal with a matter in a correct way, of which we fellow or ordinary South African can see it's a mess. We can see it. She see it as we do. What did she do to correct her prosecutors? To say, please deal with this thing in a correct way. Why are you dealing with it, even going to an extent of implicating the people that you yourself know that there is no correspondence? And then you leave the people that were in the house. You do nothing to them. You don't even call them as a core accused. None of them, not even Kelly Kumal, but the nation is crying. The nation is not happy. What is she doing on her powers? Nothing. She's just happy. She doesn't want to be implicated. She doesn't want to get her hands dirty. What do you think about people like Advocate Batohi? Is the prosecution doing us good, or is it failing us? Let us hear what you're saying on the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.